This video is all about studying and learning, and using the techniques that I'm going to tell you in this video. I scored a 4.0 GPA in my high school, and I was studying literally half as compared to my peers as my classmates. By not wasting any more time, let's go into the video, and I'm going to tell you 3 ways to ace at your school and your life. First and most important, physical exercise. There is actually research to prove that 30 to 60 minutes of exercise, cardio to be specific, can enhance your ability to learn and retain information. And even in my case, I think that is the most crucial factor. I believe being super active from grade 7 was one of my strongest reason I scored always high. And I remember how I used to score same as my friend who was actually on his books all day. So this was the first tip, and the second tip is focus on your teachers. By focus, I don't mean to lick their ass, right? But to listen to them in the class, listen what they are saying and just grasp it. And I know it is the issue with most of us. We think listening to the teacher is nerdy and boring, but it is actually not. And I also know some of us are fond of bunking the classes like me, but never bunk a class on a new topic. And even if you are bunking class, just go somewhere which is more worthy than the lesson. Like if you're going on a hike by bunking a class, like I don't think there is any point of bunking a class then. Third, using a highlighter. I can't emphasize enough on this colorful pen. So I never had time to make entire notes of my book after going home. So whenever the teacher is teaching something, and if the teacher is emphasizing on something more than the rest of the subject, then I would just highlight the stuff. By doing this, it becomes way easier for you to not to get distracted. And when it comes to semester exams, you don't need to make notes because whatever is important is already highlighted. Bonus benefits. Actually, when you follow this, you can skip half of the classes, because usually in schools and colleges we learn something new just half of the times, and other time of the classes just go in revising the topics. But if you have understood and have learned in the very first class, then you can just skip the next boring class on the same topic, and you can do something more productive like reading something new, a side hustle, or a sports you love. Possibilities are endless. So I hope I added some value to your life by telling something which worked great for me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and include in comments some tips that you would like to share. Thank you.